So Sver, what's the topic of today?
Drives.
What did you say?
Drives.
We innovate, we elevate, we are automate.
So Sver, for many years I've been using this ACOPOS Multi together with our customers to make really cool machines.
Yes, it is a nice system where you have a shared DC bus, so you have an infeed module, you have the drives, single or dual axis, standard safety or network safety, and you also have this auxiliary power supply. So if you have regenerative power, you can actually make 24-volt supply for the panel. So it is the full package.
But Sver, I guess we're not going to talk about ACOPOS Multi, even though it is a really nice system. We're not going to talk about that today.
I could talk for hours, and I even know the manual is 200 megabytes or something like that. So there's a lot of nice specs we could talk about.
But we're coming with something new.
Let's say the next generation of B&R multi-axis drives. It can be a single-axis drive, but it can also be a multi-axis drive. So it's more or less the same philosophy with an infeed module, a power supply, and then axis modules. And what you can see here is you mount it on the back side of the panel, and then you turn these connectors so the power would be distributed in the system with these.
So it's just one common DC bus, as in ACOPOS Multi.
Common DC bus, common 24-volt power supply, because this is also a 24-volt power supply. That means you feed it with 230 volt, 400 volt, 480 volt, depends on what kind of grid you have, and then it makes the DC bus and it makes the 24 volt.
So you're saying I could use this to power up my PLC and my IOs?
Exactly. The inverter modules are a bit of a story of its own, because you can get it in single axis, dual axis, or even with 4 axis per module.
So on the multi-system, I'm used to controlling it just over Ethernet power link. Can I do that also with these?
Actually, here we go that extra mile and use the new communication protocol, OPC UA FX field exchange, which is also Ethernet, like you have here. It's just the next generation of communication.
Yeah, and it's deterministic, like the Ethernet power link.
For sure, it's just as precise, so you can for sure also do super precise high-speed motion control.
How about safety? How is that handled?
Safety is more or less the same. You can get simple safe talk off, that means hardwired safety, but you can also get it in network safety. That means the safety signals is transmitted through Ethernet in a more advanced safety environment. So with this safe talk off, you have safe talk off, but if you have the network safety, you also have safe limited speed, safe direction, safe acceleration, safe deceleration, safe limited torque. So there are a portfolio of safety features when you use the network safety.
So Sver, to summarize here, some of the ACOPOS M4 is that it's a smaller footprint. I can get 4 axes on a really compact space. I get a modern field bus to communicate.
And you get one important thing. The front end module, the infeed module, is always an active module. That means no matter the supply voltage, you would always get 750 volt DC. That means a high DC bus voltage. That means high speed for the motors. But typically the downside of an active infeed module is you need quite a big filter, a big choke. But due to the new design of this infeed module, this is not needed anymore. Everything is inside the module. You don't need any auxiliary components. Of course, you need a fuse or a circuit breaker in front, but no filters or chokes. That's all part of the module.
So fewer components, smaller footprints.
Yes, better efficiency, less heat.